today and I wrote it down, and I came up with it a few nights ago when I wasn't able to sleep, so I played around a little bit. I also did this little trick. But that's not even about the song. But I was just playing around in bed because I couldn't sleep. So then I came up with this song and I sang it in my head a few times, and then I memorized it, and then I wrote it down. And I have a bunch. Should I sing you another one?
Maybe next time. Thank you for
Okay.
singing this song for us. What's it called?
Set Your Birds Free.
Thank you.